Hello, everyone. This is my word presentation for English Level 2. 1. Introducing myself. 2. This is my experience in the Tablón Purare. 3. The weather in Tablón Purare. 4. Recommendation is few a Tablón Purare. This is my presentation. I am Flor Marina Carrillo Reyes. We live in Tame, Arauca. I am 43 years old. I am single. I have daughter the years old. I work in radio and live with mother and my pets, women, Mason, and like to trade. This is my experience in the Tablón Purare. Stay 1. We relax weekend. Go to a trip to the fort in the area municipal Tame. In the municipal of Tame is to local and department de Arauca. This beautiful place is for those of us who like nature, setting locations and enjoy and be with the breaks and spending a family because even camping can be done. Last week I went to the farm of a friend. It is appropriate of feel locute or the filming of his marriage. I stayed the one day and went with my boyfriend. I like because we see case as Justin Federite. I like because there was a lot pleased to best. For example, I went to the Soplar Toulokir Nunite Mers Obesir Syllable. It is a wonderful natural before and a light leak Tiroa. I came back 2 days at BPC. I start working last Monday. I have some plus formas next sections. Stage 2. What's the weather like? The weather in the rural area on the monumental of the East Cordillera is pleasant. It is usually sunny on the afternoon with present on wind. It is cool weather in the night. It is cold. It is a recommendation. The people use sandal, lotion, and sandals through the day and necessary that people you have to project from the cool. Tips, recommendation to make in Mandela Tablón Purare. located in the rural area municipal of Tami. 1. Next, this signing it is recommended that the people use shampoo looking and sunglasses. 2. When it is raining, it is advised that you use membrane raincoats. 3. The next point, it is necessary the light which what causes to project the cold. 4. It is recommended that people bring liquid dehydrated. 5. Remember to keep a good cameras to register one by vanish moment. 6. It's aquarius debris amave achipihas. 7. It is taken essential to bring a fish. 8. It is advisable to visit this place in the summer time to enjoy the panorama. Style 3. Advice related to people soon do night place. 1. People should make about it is illegal wasn't and visit. About this 9 Miss Marcelo. It is wonderful natural views. 2. People should come in the mornings. It is very nice experiences. 3. People should go to Purare River and they should take what should know the people do in the place. People should not go far wearing urban clothes. It is recommended the people wear the wall casting for the rural area. People have a bath, not leather in the place they visit on the forming and it is banned on the carry a bag a collective waste. People has better not hand animals crews. Thank you. Bye.